In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store, a crucial step to ensuring your online business stands out and resonates with your brand identity. Customizing your store not only enhances its visual appeal, but also improves the shopping experience for your customers. So, let's dive right into it. To kick things off, the first step is to head over to the theme store and find the perfect theme for your unique needs. Start by navigating to the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard, where you'll see an option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the Themes section. Here, you'll see a variety of options to explore, but what we want to do next is click on Import Theme in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Visit Theme Store. This selection will open the door to a vast array of available themes, each offering different aesthetics and functionalities. Themes in the Shopify theme store come in both free and paid varieties. Some themes offer extensive customization options, while others are more streamlined for those who want something straightforward. Spend some time browsing through these themes to see which one aligns best with your brand's characteristics and functionality needs. Make sure to choose wisely, since this theme will shape how customers perceive your store. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, click on it to be taken to its dedicated page. Here, you can see a demo of the theme in action, helping you visualize how it will look on your site. Once you've made your decision, the next step is to install it directly into your Shopify store. It's a seamless process that doesn't require any coding expertise. Simply click Install, and the theme will be added to your library. With the theme installed, it's time to head back to your admin dashboard. Click on Online Store again, and navigate to the Themes section. Here, you'll see the new theme you have installed listed in your available themes. To make it the currently active theme for your website, locate your chosen theme and click Publish. Great! Your new theme is now live on your site, but we're not finished yet. The real magic happens when you click Customize, which will take you to the site editor. This is where you can personalize the theme to your heart's content, tailoring it to reflect your brand's personality and ensuring it provides the best experience possible for your customers. Dive into the customization options, tweak the layout, adjust the color scheme, and perhaps even modify fonts to make sure it's a perfect representation of your brand's identity. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Shopify store. This transformation not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your store, but also helps in delivering a cohesive brand message to your customers. Now, your store is set up to captivate customers and make a lasting impression. Continue exploring other customization options as you grow, and your store will be a powerful asset in your e-commerce arsenal. Thanks for joining in today, and happy selling!